Changes are coming to Scentsy, and starting with the box. Hi, and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit is, well, he's in the other room because Dexter's eating and he likes to steal Dexter's food. And Chloe will be in here with me in a few minutes, but probably not for this video. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, collaborations, Dollar Tree hauls, clothing stuff, all kinds of stuff. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It's totally free. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So Scentsy announced that they have some changes coming up. I heard that they're starting to sell regular candles. So currently they do the wax melts, but I did hear that they were going to be doing candles, and it looks like their box has changed too. When this came in, I actually thought it was another Margot Elena box, and I was like, why would I just got mine. But no, it's their new box. So let's take a check and see if there's anything new inside. I see a big box in here. I did because Bandit helped him finish. So this says like silver and gold friends are for forever, which usually like gives you a clue as to what the theme is. All right, we see some new packaging here. This is the amber and peach. These are going to be your bricks, and now they're putting the scent notes on there. So this says peach, amber, and vanilla. Okay. So it definitely does have a little bit more musk than I usually enjoy, but maybe that peach will overpower it. Then we have some Scentsy pods. This is in silver and gold, like letter N. And this is notes of golden pineapple, sweet strawberry, and silver woods. Now that sounds really good. Oh yeah. Then we have a travel spray in that same silver and gold. So that's going to be that pineapple, strawberry, amber woods, or silver woods. Then we have the silver and gold Scentsy soak. This is Epsom and pink Himalayan salts in that silver and gold scent. And then last we have this. This is a Scentsy air. So I'm wondering if this is for the air pods. It is. So you just drop your pod right in there. Oh, you're going to drop your pod right in there. You're going to plug it in. It has a little plug. And then the fan will just blow that scent. And that's a really nice one. Like, I've only gotten these little disc type ones in the past, but this is really pretty and perfect for the season. It's got a little silver in it. So very nice. You got a little switch right there, so you can always turn it off whenever you want. And yeah, this was probably the best box I've gotten from them. So I don't know, new changes, maybe even nicer things in the boxes, who knows. But this was definitely a great one, and they put out some great ones, but this one, beyond. They have pretty much all the same scents except for in that bar. Everything else was in the silver and gold, so I liked how they themed that up. But let me know your thoughts. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. And hopefully I'll see you soon.